When I went to the supermarket today, I saw this marinara mix and I thought of making a seafood pie for lunch. So, and I thought of sharing that recipe with you all. For this recipe, I'm using 500 grams marinara mix. It has almost all the kinds of seafood in it. And I'm adding 200 grams prawn meat into that. 2 small onions and 2 cloves of garlic chopped. Half a cup of chopped parsley. You can use any herb that you like to add in. A tablespoon of plain flour. 2 tablespoons thickened cream or whipping cream, and 2 cups of milk. Half of a capsicum and 1 cup sliced leeks. 2 small size carrots diced. Optional, this is always green chilies. Half of a lemon, salt, pepper and stock powder about a teaspoon. Nearly 20 grams of butter for frying these ingredients, and a handful of spinach. I really like to add spinach in creamy sauces. It gives a nice flavor too. And I'm boiling the potatoes at the moment for the topping. I'll show you that later. So let's start doing this first. Into a pan, add the butter, and into that add the onion and the garlic. Stir fry that about a minute. If you like to add a bay leaf, you can add in at this time. When the onion is soft, add the capsicum, chopped parsley, carrot, stock powder, salt and pepper, and the chilies. Mix it well and cook that about 2 minutes, stirring continuously. And after, add the leeks. Cook that again 1 minute. So after, add the prawns, spinach and the marinara mix, and cook it about 5 minutes without adding anything. The marinara mix has enough water, so it will cook with the vegetables about 5 minutes. After, add the milk and the cream and cook this again about 3 to 4 minutes. Once it starts boiling up, take it out from the stove and strain the liquid into a pot, leaving the pieces in a different bowl. So the pieces are here and the liquid is here. All the flavor is in this liquid. So I'm going to add the plain flour into that and whisk it well and put this on the stove and cook it until it thickens the sauce. So the sauce is thickening, and continue stirring, and then put the other pot on the stove and pour the thickening sauce into it and mix it well. So I'm using this 6 by 12 inch pan, and I'm going to transfer this mix into the tray, and let's start doing the mash now. So I'm going to leave the pie aside, and I have nearly 8 potatoes that I boiled already. I'm going to add about 20 grams butter and 3 tablespoons of sour cream. You can add cream instead. And going to mix this really well, but make sure don't mash it very finely. I really like to have a bit of pieces than a smooth top. So after, add about half a cup of cheese into that. This is optional. If you like to make it creamier and tastier, only add that. And then I'm going to top up the pie. I forgot to add the lemon juice, so I'm going to put some lemon juice and mix it to the pie before I add the potato mix. So after, Now going to add the potatoes on top of the pie. So sprinkle it all over and spread it evenly. So the pie is ready. I'm going to bake this on 200 degrees about 30 minutes or until golden brown on top. The seafood pie is ready. It's really hot. I just took it from the oven and this is how it looks like. It's nice and creamy, and enjoy. Hope you will enjoy this. Thank you for watching.